All right, you know Soothe2 for taming harsh frequencies, right? But what if I told you you could use it to do something totally unexpected? Let's just say your kick and bass are about to become best friends. Let's hop in. So what I'm about to show you was popularized by Jason Joshua, and what he does is he uses Soothe2 as a sidechain for the kick and the bass. So every time the kick hits, the bass ducks so that the kick is punchy and present. And traditionally, you would use just a compressor to sidechain these two, but Soothe2 is next level, and I'm going to show you. So let's hear the kick and bass together. Okay, so let's load up our EQs. We'll hit play again and notice where the frequencies overlap. Here we go. So we have some masking around the 60 hertz area where the kick punches through. Let's X out of these. So let's make sure the bass is selected. Now we're going to load up Soothe2. Let's adjust some of these parameters. So we're going to grab our high cut and activate it. Let's change it to 24 decibels per octave. Let's roll this down to about 500 hertz. We're going to do a fast attack. Let's slow the release down just a little bit. Let's increase the depth. We're going to switch this from soft to hard. Then we're going to reduce the sharpness all the way down to 0 and just increase the selectivity a little bit. Now what we want to do is we want to sidechain this to the kick. So let's search for the kick here. There we go. And let's enable the sidechain button. Good. Now what we're going to do is hit play, and I'm going to adjust the depth, and you're going to see how quickly it reacts to the signal. So here we go. So obviously I've exaggerated the depth there just so that you can see visually how quickly Soothe2 is reacting to that kick. Hey, if we haven't met yet, my name is Ivan. This channel is about helping you create radio-ready mixes from home. And I've got a free gift to make your mixing process easier. Head on over to mymixingchecklist.com and download your free 9-step mixing checklist. It's a simple step-by-step guide to help you through the process of mixing a song from start to finish. Absolutely free. It's my gift to you for hanging out with me today. So what we'll do is I'll put it in bypass mode. I'll hit play and then I'll toggle it kind of on and off so you can hear the effect. So here we go. That's off. Now on. Off. On. So we can really see how effective Soothe2 is at sidechaining and creating space for that kick in the bass. So I'll adjust the depth a little more until we like where it's sitting. Here we go. So there we go. We've set up a sidechain that's super responsive. So go ahead and copy these settings using Soothe2, but use that as a starting point and then just dial it in depending on the needs of your track. All right, so now you've seen how Soothe2 can do way more than just tame harsh frequencies. It can actually transform how your bass and kick interact. But I want to hear from you. What's your go-to tip or trick to getting your low end to sit just right in the mix? Drop it in the comments below. And hey, before you go, don't forget to grab your free 9-step mixing checklist at mymixingchecklist.com. It's a game changer for your mixes and it's totally free. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you on the next one. And remember, you've got this.